Exit tickets can also be done in Schoology. I've put in a few examples here. This one was a math short answer. Maybe you just want to see if the students understood the lesson on multiplying fractions. This one says, explain to me how to find a common denominator when adding fractions. I want them to be able to video record themselves explaining to me the process to see if they understood it. This one, what was the plot of the story we read today? So this is going to have them explaining it to me, writing it out. And then in this one, this is when they're going to be able to click on words. So click on all the proper nouns in the paragraph. So then they can just click on that. So that last exit ticket idea was created with a highlight text question type. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to click on the highlight text. You're going to either type up or copy in the text that you want. I always like to put in, the directions here. Then I'm going to click on possible responses. And then you have to choose, do I want my students clicking on whole paragraphs, sentences, or words? And in this case, I want them to click on proper nouns. So I'm going to click on word. You're going to get this warning that basically says that anything you've already done will be replaced and that correct responses will be removed. Click OK. And then this just highlights everything. Since I do not want my students to click on the directions, I'm going to unclick everything that was in my directions. And then I'm going to leave everything else as a possible item to click on. Then I'm going to scroll down, and then I'm going to click on everything that I want to be an answer. So I would go through that whole paragraph. Again, you want to make sure that you choose whether it's an exact match or a partial match, and then save the question.